What's up?
What's up?
Bakit
Mga
ka na?
higala!
Mga higala, kumusta na mo diha? Kumusta na mo diha, Daddy Bry? Kumusta na diha, Daddy Brian? Mami Maymay? Happy birthday, Mami Maymay. Way virus and Juha. Sana makauli na ka, no? Sana makauli na ka kay gimingaw na ko nimo. Ikaw po, Daddy Brian. Gimingaw na ko nimo. Diya. Mami, happy birthday. Diya. Amping mo diha kanunay ha. I love you. Mama na to. Bye mga higala.
Hello, higala! I just want to greet happy birthday, Ate Maymay, and I hope you're okay there. Og unta mag-amping ka pirmi og stay strong and laban lang sa buhay. I hope makauli na ka pohon og yes. Thank you for supporting Ate Maymay's YouTube channel. So that's it, higala. Just enjoy your day and just enjoy life. And don't forget to be patient, be humble, and be simple sa buhay para maging happy. And also be kind.
Happy birthday, Plantita May or Higala. May the Lord bless you more abundantly. May He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Stay blessed. Enjoy your special day. Remember, we are here, your Plantita Bishi. Always love you and care for you. So don't forget, even though you are at PE, always remember us.
Happy birthday, May! I thank the Lord for our friendship. Kahit sandali lang yung friendship natin, but nandito ka sa puso namin. Kahit malayo ka, keep in touch pa rin tayo. My verse for you is trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Do not lean on your own understanding. In all of your ways, acknowledge God, and God will direct your paths. Sa importante, in 1 week, you must spend time 1 day for the Lord. That's Sunday. Huh? We love you and we care for you.
Happy birthday, May. My wish for you is a divine health, divine protection, you and Brian. Malay tayo sa isa't isa pero keep in touch pa rin tayo. Nandito lang kami ng mga higala mo, mga ate mo, mga bisis mo. Kulang na yung bisis natin. Wala na kaming higala na maganda, mabait, masunurin sa mga ate. Anyway, malapit lang naman tayo. Pwede ka rin naman anytime punta dito. Magbakasyon dito sa Cape Town. Hindi naman tayo masyadong malayo. So, keep in touch pa rin tayo. At saka, wag masyadong mag-ano sa mga problema, ha? Wag mong intindihin yung mga problems. Ang problems ay nandyan lang yan lagi. Basta, magdasal ka lang sa ating Panginoon. Siya lang ang makatulong sa atin. I'm sure mamimiss ka namin. Kasi kulang na yung Plantitas ladies natin. So, God bless you always, May. And again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Higala. Wishing you all the best. Stay guapa and stay healthy. Always, God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Hi, Tita May. Happy birthday.
Hi May, happy birthday Higala. Hope you have a wonderful birthday and hope you get spoiled and many more birthdays and blessings to come. We're going to miss you pagpunta mo sa PE. Sana i-visit mo kami dito sa Somerset West kay mingaw na mi sa imo higala wa na mo buhakak ug katawa unsaon na lang atong mga TikTok dira. Anyway, ingat ka always, and if you need us, we're just a phone call away. We love you. Bye!
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati,
Happy birthday, Tita May!
Happy birthday!
Wala, di ba sinabi mo walang corona? Sana next your birthday.
Next time when it's your birthday, I hope it's not corona.
Okay, love you!
See ya!
Enjoy! Happy birthday, Higala!
Happy birthday! Enjoy it!
Hello, Day! Good morning! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad. Saka happy life lang. Okay? Ingat! Bye-bye!
What's up, mga higala? Hi, Day. Happy birthday. I'm wishing you more birthdays to come and good health and enjoy your day. God bless you always and your family. Stay guwapa, kalog, o buutan, inside and out. And keep safe always with your banana. And happy birthday once again. I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Hi, Dai. Happy birthday. I pray that all your wishes will do come true. And my wish for you is that you and your family to have happiness, good health. And also, I am glad that you are my friend since high school and you've never changed. And yeah, just continue lang pag-vlog kay kuan, that's what make you happy. And also kanapitaw ayo ka bala ka kung wala kay viewers kay naa ko, you'll never kanang dili ka mo viewers kay go watch ko always. And I don't skip ads. Okay, Mora to, happy birthday, and yeah, take care and I miss you and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi mga higala, happy birthday sa akong kinakusgan nga silingan. More birthdays to come. Ano pa ba? Dahil magkita na lang ta sunod puhon. Stay happy, stay pretty, stay humble, and stay healthy. More birthdays to come and ingat parati. Mwah.
Hi Ate Higala, welcome back to my channel. Thank you sa chance na makagreet. Happy birthday. I wish you love, hope, and everlasting joy and happiness in life. Keep doing what you love and more blessings to come and sa family. Believe and you'll receive. And thank you for giving us happiness in simple ways. And I'm glad I discovered your channel. God bless you. Keep safe. Bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How young are you? Wish you all the best, kahigala. Kung dili tungo dinhi sa YT, dili ka na ako makaila. Taga Maasin ko, ikaw taga Sugo, di ba? So, dool ra kaayo tang duha og lugar. Actually, murag kaisa pa ko nakaanha sa Sugod. So, kay dili man ko lakawan, unya napadpad sa Amerika, di ba? So, happy lang ta sa YT, kahigala. So, good luck sa imong channel. Love you!
Hello Higala! Kamusta po? Happy birthday! At wish ko sa iyong birthday ay good health and more birthdays to come, and wish ko din hope in God's willing. Hope to see you in South Africa. Ingat po lagi dyan, and thank you sa pagpapatawa lagi sa amin. Masaya kami lagi manood ng vlogs mo, kaya keep vlogging. Love ya! Ingat! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hi Higala! today is your day, and I wish you all the best things in life. May all your wishes and your banana do come true. Enjoy your day and keep safe always. I love you.
Here I am. It's Thursday morning. I must still get out of bed and get my day going, but I thought it would be the best time to say to my wife a happy birthday. It's her birthday tomorrow, and I hope she has a really great day, okay? And yeah, she's turning 32, and I'm very grateful to have her in my life. Love you, my honey.
Pasensya mga kahigala kung medyo haggard ako today. Nagdouble-double ako ng suot kasi nga malamig na dito, no? So, anyway mga kahigala, thank you so much sa inyong lahat, sa inyong mga greetings, of course, sa akong anak, no? Wapod palupig, oy, nag-greet po si Ja. Asaliwat ang akong anak, syempre ni higala, no? Napakatakatib. Joker sa to mga kahigala. Og sa akong sister nga, si Rachel May. And then, thank you also sa mga vicious plantitas. Hindi na ako maraming message sa inyo mga vicious plantitas kay maiyak ako oy. As in, kay iyakin si higala. Sa akong mga friends and classmates. And then, of course, sa akong mga friends sa YouTube, no? Napakabait. Nako, wala akong masabi din. And then, of course, sa akong pinalanggang banana. Thank you so much, my honey, mahal banana. Kahit wala akong handa sa aking birthday tomorrow. Tomorrow pa kasi yung birthday ko mga kahigala. Pero ina-advance ko lang kasi nakikonik lang si higala, no? Naki-upload lang. Bahala. Walang handa. Ang importante is buhi. Chok lang mga kahigala. Bitaw oy, ang wish nako sa akong self is sana tagaan pa kog taas na kinabuhi, long life and good health always. Importante jud na mga kahigala. And thank you so much God kay 32 years old na ko, no? I'm still alive. Bitaw, wish ko is sana makauwi na kami sa Pinas ni Banana para makasama ko ang aking napakagandang anak. And then sana tagaan pa og taas na kinabuhi si Banana para mag-uban mi till death do us part. Charot. And sana then makauwi si Mother Earth, no, sa Pinas para magsama-sama na kami and happy together, no. Hi, life talaga. Marami pa akong wish mga kahigalaan. No need na i-tell ba? No, secret lang baka maiyak pa si higala kasi iyakin ako. Magdrama-drama tayo dito. So anyway, thank you so much mga kahigala sa inyong mga greetings, no? Napaka-touch, na-touch ko sa inyong mga greetings. And of course, thank you so much, Lord. Thank you, thank you. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you. So, thank you mga kahigala. Love you. Thank you for watching. Bye!